Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Wi-Fi in public places. First, open your device's settings and navigate to the Wi-Fi section. You will see a list of available networks. Select the public Wi-Fi network you want to use. Often, a new browser window or pop-up will appear, prompting you to complete the connection process. This is usually a captive portal. Once the captive portal appears, you'll typically need to agree to the terms and conditions to gain internet access. For enhanced security, especially when handling personal data, consider using a virtual private network or VPN. This encrypts your connection, protecting your information from potential threats. Avoid logging into banking or other sensitive accounts without this extra layer of protection. If you encounter connection issues, a simple restart of your device can often resolve them. If problems continue, try forgetting the network in your settings and then reconnecting. For privacy, it's a good practice to disable automatic Wi-Fi joining on your device. This prevents your phone from connecting to unknown networks without your explicit permission, keeping you safer. Always double-check the network name to ensure you're connecting to the legitimate public Wi-Fi, not a fake one. Using strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts is crucial, especially when using public networks. Remember, your online safety is paramount. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.